Hello traders. Today is the 19th of January 2011, and happy trading to you all. This video is about the importance of the pivot levels, the pivot line, the pivot levels. Okay, like we told all the TSTW24 traders, we must have on our trading chart the pivot level. Okay, the daily pivot level. What I'm going to do now, I will put the pivot line on this chart. This is a very important tool to go into the mind of other traders. Same thing, we use the RSI indicator to go into the mind of other traders. We can perfectly use the daily pivot level to go into the mind of other traders to know what they are trying to do, what they are likely to do. Okay, so I will put on this chart the daily pivot level on my chart. This is what you will do also on your chart to know, to go into the mind of other traders. Okay, right now I have my daily pivot line on this 4-hour chart of the Euro USD. The level that we watch carefully, okay, is to draw your pivot level on this chart. Okay, I will quickly go to my special intraday daily chart, the 1440 minutes. Okay, so that I can see all the lines here. There is one line missing there. I couldn't see the R2 level. The price, it looks like the price has hit the level of what we call the M3. The M3 the price has crossed above the M3. The M3 is this is the middle line between the pivot level and the R1. Where I put my white horizontal line, that's the R1. The price now above the R1 level. The price went above R1 into this zone here. When the price is going down, in most cases, the price usually retraces from the M3. The M3, I will draw my M3 on this chart for you. This video is for educational purposes only. It's neither a solicitation or an offer to buy or sell anything. It's primarily for the TSTW24 traders. Okay, if you don't know about M3, M1 level of the pivot, you may watch our video that we posted before regarding the pivot level. Okay, so we'll draw the M3 line, which is the middle line between the central pivot and the R1 somewhere here. That's my M3 line. I will call my M3 line red. We consider that as a resistance zone. If the price managed to come below the M3 line, okay, in normal condition, in a downtrend, we use this strategy. The price will move from M3 to M1 in the downtrend. Okay, M3 to M1 in a downtrend. Okay, and M2, okay, to M4 in the uptrend. Okay, M3 to M1 in a downtrend. Okay, M2 to M4 in the uptrend. Okay, but right now the price is going up. But if the price find a resistance in this zone, because we know that the Dow Jones is a very important resistance level, so we do not want to be too bullish towards the Euro USD, even though it's going up now. We have the tool to control our entry point. So this is my M3 level, so very important, the pivot line. So I will draw on this chart again my M2 level is the middle line of the central pivot. Okay, the central pivot and the S1 and the central pivot, yes, and the S1 right here. Okay, that's my M2. Okay, and the M1 is the middle line between the S2 and the S1. Okay, somewhere here. That's my M1. This is the M1. I will color the M1 green. Okay, M1 green. Okay, and I will leave this M2 white here. Okay, so in case the price start going down, okay, our target using the pivot line, okay, as a tool to set our target. Okay, it does not always work like this. It's not exact science, but this thing usually happen. If the price manage to cross back down, the likely target will be this green line here in the region of the psychological level of the Euro USD, which is 13200, 13200, that remain to be seen. Okay, so this is just to show you not to look for opportunity to sell, but to show you the importance of the pivot line, how you can use the pivot line to go into the mind of other traders, because many traders will look for opportunity to sell in this region. Okay, because we are approaching a very important level in the market. Okay, many traders will be, many bear will be eager to sell, and the bull will be trying to push the price to the upside. But if, repeat, if, very important, that word, the if, okay, the price retrace back down and cross this red line and continue movement to the downside, the likely target will be in this green zone here. So this is to show you quickly the importance of the pivot line, how you can use the pivot line to control the market. So in the morning, very important, you have your pivot line on your chart, and you draw the M1, M2, M3, M4 on your chart. Okay, we know that the M1 is the middle line between the S2 and the S1. Okay, and the M2 is the middle line between the S1 and the central pivot level. Okay, and the M3 is the middle line between the central pivot and the R1. Okay, and the M4 is the middle line between the R1 and the R2. The price now somewhere near the M4, somewhere up here, because I couldn't see my R2 on this chart. Okay, so you will monitor the price carefully here. Okay, so this is about the importance of the pivot line in day trading. I hope you enjoyed this video also, that you will put it into practice in order to cream the market consistently. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very, very happy. Okay, thank you very much.